This topic is solving an exponential equation by using logarithms and decimal answers basic. This is the first exercise to solve exponential equations in which you don't have to give the exact answer, but rather you should do a decimal answer. This exercise is 6 to the x minus 9 equals 8, and here we have the x here in the exponent, and in this kind of exercises what we want is to solve for x, which means we need to leave this x alone, and if we want to do that we need to get this x down of there. We need it down. If you remember the properties of logarithms, there is the power rule, which tells me that whenever I have a number, say a, multiplying my logarithm of 5, for example, you can write this also as a logarithm 5 of a. And you can go from this to this, or from this to this, depending on the situation that you are given. We want to take advantage of this property of logarithms to take the exponent down here. But if we want to use that, we need to have a logarithm here, which we don't. So first thing here, we have to do a logarithm in both sides. So let us apply a logarithm base 10 here, and also a logarithm base 10 here. Because this is an equality, it means that anything I do to the left side, I should do it also to the right side. That's why I added a logarithm in both sides, and I'm not affecting the quality. Now that I have this way, I can go and apply this power rule. The power rule will allow me to take this exponent here, and I will just do that. So I will have x minus 9 multiplying the logarithm of 6. All I did was apply the power rule. And on the right side, well, I am doing nothing, so it will just remain like that. Okay, now, because I want to solve for x, I need to leave x alone. This logarithm is making noise here. I don't want it here, so I will move it to the right side by dividing. So if I have here x minus 9, then I will have here log of 8 over log of 6. Then what else? This 9 here, I don't want it here. I will move it to the other side, adding up x equals the logarithm of 8 over the logarithm of 6 plus 9. And that's pretty much the answer that we need to give. But in this exercise, we are asked to give a decimal answer, so we have to compute this. How do we compute this? Well, we can use our calculators. If you have a calculator, you can place this into your calculators, or do it online. I will use an application that I have here. This application, you can write a mathematical input and it will solve it. For example, here I will write the logarithm